Good afternoon. Today I am going to be talking about the portable Velcro scheduler. And this scheduler is very handy and very good for students who need to see a visual schedule of their day. For example, students with autism. And how you use this one is inside the cup. There are a bunch of different pictures that you can get off of Boardmaker. You can go ahead and make them. For example, there's a candy one and different things like a swimming class and reading class, just different things that your student will be doing during the day. And so an example I have on here is first they know that they are going to go to the library, and then next they're going to go to snack time, and then after that they know they go to art class, and then they go home for the bus. And so as they go throughout their day, once they've been to the library, they can just take this off and put it in the top up there, and then they know that next is snack. And this helps them see what they need to do throughout their day and what they have left to do. Thank you very much.